Now, this is the policy on annual engineering operations review. This is very important to me, very, very important. Annual engineering operations review, policy number 3, very, very important. So I'd like you to pay close attention to this. Now, it is a policy of Crispan Suits to conduct an annual internal review of the mechanical and electrical facilities, including the performance of the engineering department. An external review will be conducted every 2 years. Are you seeing that? Which means that we carry out the internal review. Is that not so? Then we call external reviews after how many years?
2 years.
Is that simple? Are we doing this? So this is what we want to start doing. This is what we have the maintenance department for, and we will start doing that. Now, as a self-audit of the engineering department is to be completed by the director of engineering of each unit on a yearly basis, 3 to 4 months prior to the external MOR, a copy of the report on the completed self-audit is to be awarded to the MOR leader, the general manager of the hotel. Internal audit. What is the state of everything that is in Crispan that has to do with the engineering department? Do you know? What is the current situation? Mr. Boniface, are you here?
Yes, ma'am, here.
Yes. What is the state? If I ask you what is the state of the generator now, do you know?
To some extent.
To some extent. All right. So every other thing that has to do with engineering department, and even if you know, do I know? I don't. Do you understand? That forms part of your report. So internal audit, what that means is by mere looking at your report, I should be able to tell that in the next 2 years, we should be thinking about changing this. In the next 3 years, we should be thinking about auctioning this, selling this, and bringing. Why? Because you carry out internal audits to tell us the state of every single thing used in Crispan. From your advice, the advice that comes from your department, you can tell us, please, this particular item, the wear and tear has become too frequent. When we look at our report, we are repairing and fixing it every month. This is the amount of money we are spending on repairing and fixing it. Rather than do that, why don't we just replace? Advice from your department, but you can only give that advice if you carry out this internal audit to tell us the state of everything in your department. Not just it has broken down, emergency, emergency, we need to fix, we need to repair, it has broken down. What advice are you giving to us? What is the state, what is the condition of everything in your department? So this shall be based on detailed site inspection and physical examination of plant and system, review of supporting documentation. Now, for use by the MOR leader during the MOR, life safety, administration, energy management, plant preventive maintenance, guest room servicing, housekeeping, laundry, kitchen and food and beverage operations. Do you understand this part? So we have the budget, we have engineering systems, we have public areas, recreation facilities, garden and grounds, departmental participation. Now, inspection checklist. The inspection checklist is divided into a total of 10 sections. All right? The inspection checklist is divided into a total of 10 sections as mentioned above. So I don't know if the next one is going to give us the detail. If not, I can now share it here. So we have the food and beverage operations. They have fridge, they have freezers. Is that not so? We have the laundry. We have laundry equipment there. Then we have the plants. We have the generators. We have many things. Is that not so? So from your department, these things are supposed to be grouped. Then it should be clearly stated when routine maintenance should be carried out. For generator, for instance, how frequent should maintenance be done there? Is it once in a month, once in 2 months, once in 3 months?
A check daily.
A check daily, okay?
B check every 100 hours.